Well, this is not just a knife, but it contains a lot more. Keep watching to see the mysteries of this knife. It's sharp enough to peel the potato. Also, it can peel out your enemy. Still, it's better to peel the potato. This line breathes a fire, not now, but used to. So now I'm going to fix it. It has 3 screws to remove. So this is all it contains. Let's see if we can light this. The contacts are metallic, so the charge passes from the sparker to my hands. I will put a paper to avoid the charge transfer. Here it burns with the nice blue flame. The problem was with the sparker, it was not getting pressed. And this one is the battery to light up the line size. Now I will put them back and will place something in between the sparker to increase the length. Here it works. It's a bit tricky to place all the things at the proper place, but with the sharp mind and a proper judgment, it can be done nicely. And now it works as it's supposed to be. Hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.